Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many Mac users face when trying to customize the appearance of their files. Imagine a bit of a hassle when you're trying to tell apart your .wav files just by looking at them, right? Well, fret not, because there's a solution to this problem that will make your life a whole lot easier. In the solution, you can easily set a custom icon for all your .wav files by tweaking some settings in Finder. By accessing the View options, you can configure your Mac to display the Music app icon for all your audio files. This way, you'll be able to quickly identify your music files with just a glance. It's a simple fix that will save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run. To sum it up, customizing file icons on your Mac can be a real game changer, especially when dealing with audio files like .wav. By following the steps mentioned earlier, you can ensure that all your music files sport the Music app icon, making them easier to spot among your other files. So give it a try and let your file organization skills shine. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy customizing!